Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download DHL Express app and manage shipments. Detailed guides. Begin by unlocking your smartphone. Locate the App Store on your device. If you have an Android phone, open the Google Play Store. If you have an Apple device, go to the App Store. In the search bar, type DHL Express. Press the search button to see the results. Find the official DHL Express app in the list. Ensure it's the one developed by DHL Express. Tap on the app to open the download page. Click the Install button on Android. For iOS, tap the Get button. Wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, open the DHL Express app. You will be greeted by the login screen. If you already have an account, enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, tap on Sign Up. Follow the prompts to create your account. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the home screen. To manage shipments, select the Shipments tab. Here, you can view all your current shipments. Tap on any shipment to see detailed information. To track a new shipment, select the Track Shipment option. Enter your tracking number in the provided field. Press Track to see the status of your shipment. For additional services, explore the menu options. You can also schedule pickups or make new shipments. Simply follow the prompts for each service. If you need assistance, refer to the Help section within the app. Take your time to explore all available features. Managing your shipments has never been easier with the DHL Express app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.